Let us look into that fifth question from exercise 7.1. 4 points are given A, B, C, D and the coordinates A34, B67, C94 and D61. We want to prove ABCD is a square or not. We want to find the distance AB, BC, CD, DE and also we want to find the diagonals. Here, let us find the distance AB using the distance formula. It can be root 18 and BC also root 18. CD, the substituting that values in the distance formula, we will get CD also root 18. Then DA, that also root 18. That means the four sides are equal. Then next we want to find the diagonals BD. So it is root of 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. So it is negative 6 whole square root 36 6. And AC, the second diagonal, it also root of 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Again it is 6. That means in a square the sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. That means the given coordinates forms a square. Next, we want to find whether the given quadrilaterals, whether it is a square or rhombus like that. First one, the coordinates are negative 1, negative 2, 1, 0, negative 1, 2, negative 3, 0. That is A negative 1, negative 2, B 1, 0, C negative 1, 2, D negative 3, 0. So AB is equal to root of 1 minus negative 1 whole square plus 0 minus negative 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 square plus 2 square equal to root 8, that is 2 root 2. And BC also, CD also we got root 2 root 80, 2 root 2 and AD also 2 root 2. From this we can see that the coordinates forming a quadrilateral and all the sides are equal. Next, as in the previous case, we want to find the diagonals. Here AC is root of negative 1 minus negative 1 whole square plus 2 minus negative 2 whole square. So it is root 16, that is 4. Then BD is equal to root of 1 minus negative 3 whole square plus 0 square equal to root 16 plus 0, that is root 16 equal to 4. That means these quadrilaterals forming a square. Here we want to find the distance between PQ, QR, RS and PS. After finding the distance using distance formula, that means the distance of PQ is 2 root 13. Distance of QR is root 13. Distance of RS is 5 root 2 and PS is root 85. And we can see the distance of PR. That means distance of PR, we can see that it is 13. Since PQ 2 root 13, QR root 13, RS 5 root 2 and PS is root 85. PS is root 85. And PR using distance formula we got the distance as root 13. But what is the distance of PQ? It is 2 root 13 and QR is root 13. So PR and QR having the same length, that is root 13. And we can see that from this R lies on the side PQ. Since PQ 2 root 13, PR root 13 and QR is root 13. This means that R lies on the side PQ. That means PQR are collinear. Since PQR lie on the same line, hence we can say that PQRS is not a quadrilateral. The next one, the points 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2 form a quadrilateral, or which type quadrilateral? After finding the length of PQ, we got it as root 10. QR we got it as root 18, that is 3 root 2. And RS again root 10. And PS is root 18. From this we can see that opposite sides are equal. And we want to prove whether this form a parallelogram or not. Here, after finding the diagonals, whether it is a rectangle or a parallelogram, we want to check it. For that, PR is 2 centimeter, a 2 unit length, and QS is 3 root 2. That means the diagonals are not equal. That means since the diagonals are not equal, so what about the diagonals of a parallelogram? They are not equal. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So PR is 2 centimeter, 2 unit. QS is 3 root 2 unit. So the given points form a quadrilateral and this is a parallelogram. Since opposite sides are equal, already we find the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals not equal. For in a parallelogram, the diagonals are not equal. Hence, the given points does not represent a rectangle. Hence, we can say that it is a parallelogram.